All right, everybody, on today's project, we're going to replace the fascia that has been blown off by a big storm. 50 to 60 mile an hour winds ripped off this piece of the fascia, which was protecting the wood fascia. And we got to get that covered because moisture gets in there and it can sit in there during the winter and then it can freeze, expand, and that's what ruins the side of this tin fascia. So we're going to replace that today. And that completes this project. The fascia has been replaced, protecting the wood fascia. No more moisture getting in, everybody. And here's a view from the river of the new fascia replaced. All right, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel,